You got a couple tickets from Springfield. Did you miss your court date or something on those? You got 2 warrants out of Springfield. So that's basically the situation.
What should have been a simple stop turned into arrest after this cop ran the biker's name.
Hey, I had a headphone in. It's hard for me to hear you, but
yeah, you're good. I was just stopping. Just waiting for that train.
Yeah, you're all right. You're all right.
You got a plate for your bike? That's the reason I'm stopping.
No, I have the bill of sale.
Yeah, that's fine.
I do have my license. I don't want to reach for it.
You're good, man.
It's in the outside pocket on the bottom.
I'm gonna take it off and reach.
But there's a gun in that bag
there
too.
It is. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to do anything you don't want me to do.
You just want to set it up there and grab your license, man.
Sure. I've got insurance too.
You like your bike?
Huh?
I used to have a ZX-10 back in the day.
Oh really?
Yeah, I loved it.
This thing's a monster, man.
Bet.
Here you go.
Yeah. Okay, awesome.
That's gonna be the old policy still, because I'm in that weird transition period, right?
Oh, you're good. If you just have some sort of proof that you just bought the bike, I'm good with it.
Yeah, it's in here.
What kind of bike did you have before this?
Before this, I just had a Ninja 500 before this one.
Pretty good step
so this is like a huge jump up, right? There it is.
Awesome. Let me go grab my phone. I'll snap a picture of your VIN.
I was gonna say, yeah, if you want to run the VIN, it's not stolen or anything.
You're good. I don't think it is, but it's something we have to verify.
Sure. Yeah. I understand. Okay. There you go.
So this is a 2000 or?
Yeah, 2000.
2000. Okay.
Yeah, the first year they made it.
ZX-12. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Be right back. I'm not giving you any tickets or anything. So.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Do you care if I take that from you real quick?
Yeah.
All right. No, you're good. Is it strapped to your bike?
No.
Okay. I'm just sitting right here while we're talking. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I don't want to make you nervous.
Okay. So here's the deal, basically. I'm just gonna grab your keys so you don't take off. You know, you're on a sport bike.
I'm not going nowhere.
You got a couple tickets from Springfield. Did you miss your court date or something on those? You got 2 warrants out of Springfield. So that's basically the situation. Which I'll be cool with you if you're cool with me. I'm not gonna try to. I'm not going to.
It's for registration of my Jeep.
Registration and insurance.
Yeah. Was a Wednesday.
Beginning of the month. Yeah. I don't know if you missed your court date or what happened with it, but
I had to have just missed my court date. It's got to just be a failure to appear.
not gonna do good.
This cop was willing to let the missing license plate slide, but when he found out the biker had a warrant, he had to do his job. This biker completely missed his court date and failed to appear. Running from cops is extremely illegal and dangerous. It puts your life and everyone else on the road at risk, and it only turns a small problem into a much bigger one. Always pull over, stay calm, and ride responsibly.
Untitled Chapter.
This biker had everything working against him. Guys, do not run from cops. Wheelies do not belong on the public streets. In many places, they're considered a criminal offense, and cops are usually unforgiving about it.
How's it going? Oh,
Yeah, it's because they're nosy as hell.
yeah.
Deputy County Sheriff's Office, you know why I stopped you?
I'm guessing you might have seen me pop it up a little bit for the kid back there. Yeah.
You know you can't do that. You know catwalking and popping willies is criminal. You can take a ride for it.
Yeah, I get it.
Alright, you got your ID on you?
Yeah.
No weapons or anything in the back?
No, sir.
Okay.
You want the registration too?
Are you the registered owner?
Yes, sir.
Then no, I'm not worried about it.
All right. Yeah, I definitely get it. Probably wasn't a good idea right there and whatnot, you know.
Definitely not. Alright, give me just a second, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright, listen. You were cool with me. You stopped
Yes, sir.
like you were supposed to. You have your endorsement like you're supposed to. You haven't been stopped before. I just wrote you a warning.
I appreciate that.
Keep it that way. Keep it clean.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you stopping. You could have taken off. So it's just a warning.
It ain't worth running, I'll tell you that. I got, you know, I've had too many people pass away and friends
Yeah,
and
listen,
stuff.
the crashes, they'll get you, or this. A lot of times you can't outrun the radio in FHB.
Yeah.
So you may outrun me, but
It's better to just pull over, be respectful. I mean, if you did something wrong, you know, own up to it.
that happens. But I get it. I would probably want to do the same thing for the little kid. But,
Yeah.
I was right there behind you. I know you probably couldn't see me, but
I didn't see you.
wrong place, wrong time.
Yeah.
It happens. But all right, I appreciate you being cool. You be safe, okay?
Yes, sir. I appreciate
All
it.
right.
I'm actually going to go ride somewhere where this is more appropriate, not on the street.
Okay.
So, you have a good one.
Where you headed? The forest?
Somewhere out there, yeah.
All right, enjoy. Be safe, okay?
Yes, sir. You too.
I'll stop. Oh, hello there!
This biker was way too excited to ride the new bike he bought just 10 minutes earlier. That same excitement is exactly what put the cops on his back and got a tow truck on call, just because of one small mistake.
There's a cop? Where? I owned it. I didn't. Yes. No. I'm sorry. I didn't see him. Me? Oh, she wants me for my plate, bro.
Bad spot to pick, guys.
I
Right where I was.
had, okay. No, I kid you not. I bought this 10 minutes ago from State 8.
Okay. Yep.
I have the title, insurance, everything.
Okay, where's the plate?
I don't have it
Okay.
because I just bought it.
What did they say?
He has the title.
Okay. You can't have it on the road though.
I know, I kid you not. He has my home address. We are going right home.
Where are you guys going? Dang it, guys.
I know, I'm so sorry.
Out of all places to act like that. Like I'm literally just sitting there in the parking lot.
I'm so just excited. I didn't even look. I'm just straight going and worried about the bike.
All right. Well, here's the situation. Do you guys have a tow company or anything like that? That you can tow
No.
it the rest of the way home. I can't let it go. You don't have a license plate for it.
Okay.
I
Yep.
get it. You want to get it home.
Yep. Like that's all I'm doing.
Okay. It needs to be towed home.
Okay.
I mean, like, does State 8 doesn't give license plates?
Well,
out or
okay.
anything
This
like
is
that?
so I bought it from the guy that previously owned it. So it was like a private sale. It wasn't exactly through the dealership.
Okay.
So they didn't give me like a temp tag or anything like that.
Okay. Do you have your driver's
Yeah.
license?
Yeah.
All right.
Like 10 minutes old bike.
Oh, really?
I literally just bought it. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's why there's no plate. I just sold my crotch rocket for it. Cause
Oh, really?
Yeah. This thing's way more comfortable and everything.
I've been on a crotch rocket once. Not
Yep.
my thing, dude. They're terrifying. I grew up racing dirt bikes and stuff.
Oh, there you go.
Not.
Well, everything checks out.
Yeah, I'm all legal. I promise I don't do any of that running stuff, but
They run from us all the time.
I know.
It's like, dude, pull over,
Yep.
slow down, cool. Right.
exactly.
Where's the title information for this one?
I can get it.
Go grab it.
Yeah, I gotcha. Need a title.
What do you do for work? Borrow somebody else's car.
There you go, man.
Right, let's check this stuff out.
Yeah, have at it.
All right, who's Brandon?
Me.
All right, Brandon. Bennett.
Thank you.
Here's your paperwork.
Thank you.
Listen,
Yes.
get your bike home.
Yes.
Don't be idiots,
100%.
especially when there's a police officer sitting
yes.
right there.
100%. It's all, you're here because of me.
Yeah.
You're here because of me.
All right. Get home safely, guys.
Thank
okay?
you. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Have a good night.
And this is exactly why being polite, respectful and cooperative will in most cases get you out of the trouble. She didn't want them on the public road, but after seeing that they were cool about it, she let them do it. A little respect goes a long way.
How's it going?
Good. So you've been recorded. Are you just going too fast back there?
I apologize for that.
Where you going?
I just got off of work. I didn't realize how fast I was going until I saw you coming behind me. So
yeah, I mean, but even then, like when I turned around, like I still had to move to even catch up to you. It's a 25 over there, so.
I could have sworn I didn't see anything.
You know, it just usually doesn't take that long to catch up to people. So.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I apologize.
Give your license registration?
Yeah.
Where you headed to?
Just riding around. I was just coming up the back road by, and then just gonna come up to grab like Chipotle and. Yeah, and I can pull up my registration and insurance on my phone.
Yeah, just your insurance. Any points on your license or anything?
No.
Yeah, 26.
Let me turn that up.
Awesome, thank you. Much better.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I just got off of work and.
Yeah, I don't take it personal.
I apologize. Yeah, of course.
Especially now that road is like closed by Wawa.
Yeah, I saw they're doing a bunch of construction over there.
People like are using this because GPS will take them down the road.
Gotcha.
So. All right, man. Well, enjoy the day. Have a good one.
Thank you. I apologize.
Yeah, it's all good. Just slow down.
Of course. Have a good one.
We all get pulled over at one point as bikers, and that first stop doesn't have to be stressful. It's easy to get carried away on a bike, but if you keep it within some normal limit, that shouldn't be a big deal.
Good, how are you?
Good, I checked your speed at 40. You're a little late on the blinker, too. I know that probably seems slow on this thing, but the speed limit's only 25.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't feel like I was going that fast. I wasn't really paying too much attention, though.
I got you, man.
So,
license on you?
Yep.
Where you headed?
Just back home.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
You got a motorcycle endorsement? Yeah.
Yep.
Now it's still 621. Right on. All right. I'll probably just get you out here, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Just turn a little bit slower through the 25. 40 is not that fast, so it doesn't really feel like you're moving, but in a 25, you're 15 over.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful, okay?
Hey, man, thank you for the warning.
Okay, no problem. Take care.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, here we go again.
Where you about to go right now?
I was about to go over here.
Go over there.
You want to take a left?
Yeah, we'll go over there.
When the bike is fully legal, there is nothing to worry about. You can get into friendly conversations. This cop even gave the biker a chance to test his police bike.
What's up, man? How you doing?
How you doing? Nice bike.
Thank you, brother.
I see you coming up. I was like, who is rolling up on me like that? It's a really nice bike.
Thank you, man. Thank you. You have a personal bike?
Yeah, I got a CBR double R.
Dang!
Yeah,
So you know ball.
I ride a little bit.
You know ball.
It was just like you didn't have it.
Well, when I bought the bike, it was mounted down here.
tucked.
It was down here, yeah.
Yeah, you good.
And I didn't know that you. So I moved. Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah. 1 second. I'm gonna call my sergeant real fast.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
He said it was really tucked. Right now it looks like from the back.
Okay.
But what's your name, bro?
That's what I thought. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. You might see me out there one of these days here or there.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
I got an all red CBR. So I'll be
Look, you got a photo of it? What year is it?
It's 2024.
Dang.
Yeah, I spoiled myself. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, that's when I'm outside a little bit.
That's mean right there. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, we used to. I used to do my thing a little bit. All my brothers ride, but I'm the only cop, so I gotta be responsible.
There you go. You gotta lead the way.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I can't do that no more.
You gotta lead the way. Heck yeah.
I usually don't necessarily really go after bikes like that unless they just doing stuff that's reckless. Me personally, because I ride, I understand how fast they are. So it's very easy to cruise above the speed limit.
Yeah.
So I usually personally don't be going after chasing bikes and stuff.
Bro, are the seats comfortable on these?
It's extremely comfortable. You get on it.
Can I sit on it?
Yeah, you get on it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's extremely comfortable.
Dang.
And then and I got my seat actually on the highest. It actually goes lower.
Really?
So it can go even lower. And I be sitting back leaning. I ride this thing all the time. The most you may get is just tired. But as far as if you're on that for 10 hours, 8 hours, back is done.